Optic blasters, 10 bucks. Pick your team number 4. Good luck. It's coming out right now. Clint, you didn't get my secret text message, Clint, saying that this is the one with all the Caleb's and commanders. Be thankful Jershawn Newton doesn't have any downtowns, because if not, if he had some downtowns, we probably have like a million of them by now. Yeah. Were you with me when I hit the 1-of-1 auto, Dave? I don't know if I hit both 1-of-1s in Prism now. Did I hit 2 of them? Or did I hit the black shimmer and the true black auto? I legitimately hit the Oh, no worries, Clint. No worries. Let's connect for you right here, buddy. Optic season, and then after Optic season, select. And once select hits, wait, when is the draft? The draft is tomorrow? Thursday. I'm invested in the Shador Sanders debacle. I'm very curious where he's gonna go and when he's gonna go. I'm very invested there. I'm interested to see Ashton Genty, when and who picks him up. Very interested in him. Travis Hunter. Couple other names. Who's the other one? Ohio State. Egbuka. Egbuka is gonna be interesting, and there's one more guy I'm trying to think. I can't think of his name. There's a couple guys I know I'm missing. What's up, Hernandez? Sorry, Hernandez. I might be a little bit under the weather at the moment. Was what a redemption. In one of these stacks? I'm not sure. Maybe. I don't really look at when I pull cards, to be honest with you guys. If it pops out, I'll tell you, sure. But like if it doesn't pop out. Possibly, you might have seen one. I don't look usually, Reborn. You guys know me. I don't normally pick. Wait, Dead Dogs, are you a Raiders fan? So you're not a Zamir White supporter. You don't care for Zamir. And Raiders didn't re-sign the Vikings back, right? Oh, you are diehard. Oh, you and Krogos would get along just fine. Mrs. Hammer's dad is a diehard Raiders fan as well. I can't think of the QB's name. I can't think of the old school QB's name. Ken. Fuck, what is his last name? Stabler. Sounds right. He's a big Raiders guy. So sometimes I'll buy Raiders stuff for him. Usually like Bo Jackson's or something. What's up, Crotus? Been solid. I mean, 30 bucks is in. Again, I don't have cases of this stuff, Crotus. I have like a fucking giant ass 20 by 20 or 24 by 24 box filled with blasters. I don't know why our distribution is sending it to us that way, because that's how our Prism retails came in, the same way. Just in giant ass fucking boxes. But yeah. I guarantee you they ain't quote unquote loose. I guarantee that. Still looking for a downtown. I wouldn't doubt I see one right here. No, not Jacobs. Who was the Vikings back that went to the Raiders? I'm trying to think of his damn name. Adam Jones. Adam Jones. Oh, yeah, Madison. Yeah, Alexander Madison. Thank you. Did they re-sign Madison, or did Madison go back to the Vikings? I don't even know who their backs are anymore. They had Madison, Zamir, and I think one more I'm forgetting. Oh, interesting how this one... How come one has the foil and one doesn't? Because the world will never know that. Oh, he is on the Dolphins. So who's the backs that the Raiders have now? Zamir only? I know there's one more guy. I know. I just kind of noticed that. I picked up on it. I was like, oh, interesting. Unless it's like running low on paper per se, or running low on foil. Maybe that's why it's like that. I don't know. Good luck. The good thing about these blasters too, Crotus, if you guys don't, there's a Penix. Nice peace spot, my brother. The good thing about this, guys, there is one-of-one jersey pieces. There is Black Pandora downtowns like that. Black Pandora uptowns. Cowing. Actually, hold on before I say that. Never mind. I'm sorry, not downtowns. Uptowns. You have white Pandora. You have gold downtowns. You have gold vinyl uptowns. Fuck. You have white Pandora, gold, and gold vinyl uptowns, numbered to 25, numbered through 1. You have the threads jersey pieces, numbered to 49, numbered through 1. And you have first years, numbered to 49 through 1. So there's a few different ways you can hit one-of-ones here. Did I see one yet? No. Benson, but I almost guarantee we have a couple. Leary. Dallas Turner. Wiggins. Jaheim Bell. I like Mustard the other year. He was a freaking fantasy beast. When he was at the Fins still. Theo. Jalen Wright. Marvin. Nice. Falcons having a nice little break. Now there's a Penix hollow. Guarantee spot prices paid off. Sanat. Another Penix. There's one Daniels. This is fucking insane. This is beyond insane. There's yet another uptown of Penix. We've been hitting uptowns in cases literally every 10 boxes. B-Spot, have a freaking break. Beautiful. You might want to send that off to grading, honestly. You might want to. Yeah. Trice. Wow, more Atlanta. This is an Atlanta break. Did I tell you guys I had a lot of Bears and Commanders, or did I say Falcons? I think I meant to say Falcons. That's pretty insane. Oh, I gotta get a picture of that actually, so do that afterwards. Sorry, guys. Alright, we should be due to see an auto as well. Hopefully we see some autos shortly. Some good autos. Chop. Keon on the hollow. Verse. JJ on the light it up. Leggett. Troy Franklin. Jordan Travis. Ayuk jersey on the blue hyper. There's my guaranteed Jershaw Newtons. Nice Marvin. ×2. Worthy. Ray Davis. Oak. There's number 1 for Mr. Clint. No, it's for Mr. BC. Clint, I thought you said you had the Bears. What happened? Daniels base. Come on, let's see some Daniels. Tyrion Arnold. Ooh, speaking of, there's a nice little Daniels from my man Dead Dogs. More Penix. Let's go. We love our Lions. We look forward to creative play calling. We look forward to creative play calling this year. We're going to miss Ben Johnson. What up, Ray? How you been? Okay, now we need a downtown. How was it? How was your white sparkles for the WNBA? Oh, nice. Nice. Those are good. What I do recommend, I mean, it's up to you if you want to take the shot at it. You can grade them, Ray. Obviously, I think you do your own grading. I think you told me. If it was me, I mean, the Wemby and the Jokic, I'd probably sell off right away. I'd probably send a McCain to grading if it looked solid. The Wemby and the Jokic, I would probably just sell it raw. Or Jokic, I would sell raw for sure. unless you grade it and unless you grade quickly with the Jokic and get it back before assuming they make a deep playoff push. The Wemby you could actually send for grading and you could wait on it. And then same with the McCain, get it graded. I'd probably hold till next year if it was me. Yeah, some of the other ones I'd probably just sell raw. The bigger names, grade them through. All right, last two boxes. Good luck. It's been a really good break so far, guys. Last two is giving you guys insane value. Break straw. JJ, there's a rattler on the kill. Oh, nice, nice. Jordan. Lots of Taylors. Franklin Hollow. Man, Vikings have not missed all day today. Another good break. Another uptown of Penix. Only thing we're missing is autos. We need autos. Yeah, you're welcome, Ray. Don't worry. Trust me, I'm not like the god of all advice. Trust me, but Victor McCain being out for the season, I mean, if you're trying to get like maximum premium, sometimes selling raw is better than taking the risk. Sometimes. But especially since Wemby's hurt, McCain won't be back till next year. I mean, you have a better ceiling later. A little bit more risk, but a higher ceiling for later. Just gotta wait like 6 months. Exactly, so you have time to sit on him. Jokic, if they make a deep playoff push, different story. The premium could be like right then and there, you know. Daniels for Dead Dogs. Couple of Penixes. I'll add in the Beat the Sort with your beautiful Penix Uptown. I didn't case it yet because I need a picture of it. What's up, Connor, my brother? How you been?